Welcome to part 4 of the Working with Android Enterprise using ZENworks video series. In this video, we will demonstrate how Anna, an employee in the manufacturing department of XYZ Corporation, enrolls her corporate-owned device in the work-managed device mode. Before Anna begins enrolling her device, Roger, the administrator of XYZ Corporation, needs to ensure that the prerequisites required to enroll the device are met, after which Roger can have Anna enroll the corporate-owned device provided to her. You can view the demonstration of these tasks in the prerequisites video, which is a part of this video series. Since the device provided to Anna was already set up, Anna needs to first factory reset the device. When Anna boots her device after a factory reset, she follows the initial prompts, such as setting up of the Wi-Fi and language selection, till she lands in the Add Email Account screen. In this screen, instead of her email credentials, Anna needs to specify the EMM identifier of ZENworks, which is AFW #ZENworks. Anna now needs to simply follow the prompts to install the ZENworks application. When the app is downloaded and after following the prompts to set up the device as a work-managed device, Anna now needs to log in with her corporate credentials. Her device will automatically enroll to ZENworks as a work-managed device. Roger can verify the enrollment status of Anna's device in ZCC, which should be displayed as enrolled in work-managed device mode. Roger can now go ahead and assign apps to Anna's device. Thanks for watching.